Hello, everybody. Welcome to iExamB's Legal Bee. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience with us. If you're preparing for any competitive examinations after completing your law, then you are at the right place. Legal Bee is the exclusive law channel where you will get all the updates relating to competitive examinations after law and also content related videos we keep on bringing here at iExamB. Strategic preparation is also what we cover. And in this video also I'm going to discuss previous year questions for legal insurance examinations. So ये सारे videos को अगर आप miss नहीं करना चाहते then don't forget to subscribe Legal Bee. Go fast, subscribe it. And if you want the online courses available at iExamB, you can check out on www.iexamb.com. You can check out the demo of these courses, activate and check it out. And also, if you have any queries, reach out to us by writing us an email on hello@iexamb.com. Call us on the number 920-5524028. इस वीडियो के कमेंट सेक्शन में भी आप हमें रीच आउट कर सकते हैं. We are there to help you. I'm going to start with the UIICAO legal exam previous year paper today in this video. 2023 का जो पेपर हुआ था उसका मेमोरी बेस्ड पेपर है हमारे पास, दैट इज अवेलेबल ऑन iExamB's वेबसाइट. उसके हिसाब से मैंने ये क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस किए हैं दो पार्ट्स में. 50 क्वेश्चंस वर देयर. आउट ऑफ दैट फर्स्ट 25 I will be covering in this video and the remaining 25 I will cover in the second part. As you can see, this is the previous year paper. मेमोरी बेस्ड पेपर है ये, क्योंकि पेपर तो एज प्रोवाइड नहीं किया जाता. जो स्टूडेंट्स के इनपुट्स होते हैं उस हिसाब से हम लोगों ने ये मेमोरी बेस्ड पेपर को बनाया होता है. एंड आउट ऑफ दैट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज सर्टिफाइड कॉपीज कैन बी प्रोड्यूस्ड फॉर डैश ऑफ पब्लिक डॉक्यूमेंट्स. प्रूविंग कंटेंट्स, प्रूविंग पार्ट्स, प्रूविंग कंटेंट्स ऑफ पार्ट्स, प्रूविंग एग्जिस्टेंस, disproving the existence. Correct answer is C. As per Indian Evidence Act, Section 77 talks about proof of documents by production of certified copies. So certified copies, this is actually a very important question. Practically अगर हम देखें, if you are being appointed as an officer in law category, then definitely you should have the idea of these things, certified copies. And ये सारी चीज़ें आपको काफ़ी ज़रूरत पड़ती है practically. So the question that has been asked is relating to proof of the contents of public documents. करेक्ट आंसर आपने देख लिया. प्रूविंग कंटेंट्स और पार्ट्स इज द करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ दैट पब्लिक डॉक्यूमेंट्स. उसके लिए आप सर्टिफाइड कॉपी दे सकते हैं. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, व्हेन अ पर्सन asserts any fact before the court which gives rise to any legal right or liability, the burden of proof lies on the person who makes that assertion, the person on whom the liability is charged, the person against whom the legal right is discharged, the person who suffers no loss, the adverse party. Correct answer is A. That is the person who makes that assertion. Whoever asserts has to prove that fact. ये सबसे main principle है burden of proof का from Indian Evidence Act, and that is covered under section 101. Wait. The state shall not confer a title on any citizen or non-citizen except when it is academic or military, when it is academic only, when it is military only, when it is based on nomination, when it is based on sponsorship. So, state shall not confer a title on any citizen or non-citizen except when it is academic or military. Constitution of India, Article 18 talks about this. Abolition of titles is there. It is a fundamental right which has been covered under Article 18 that there should not be any kind of discrimination on the basis of titles. लेकिन अगर वो academic या title, academic या military title है, then that is allowed. That can be conferred. Which of the following constitutes a heavy passenger motor vehicle? Motor Vehicle Act is also asked in the legal insurance exams. ये act covered होता है. Public vehicle, private vehicle with unladen weight, an education institution bus gross vehicle weight of which exceeds 12,000 kg, an omnibus gross vehicle weight of which exceeds 6,000 kg, both C and D. Correct answer is C, an educational institution bus gross vehicle weight of which exceeds 12,000 kg. Section 2 definitions cover करती है Motor Vehicles Act में. In that, heavy passenger motor vehicle, this is an important concept. यहाँ से कुछ कुछ डेफिनेशंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाती हैं जो पूछी जा सकती हैं। जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल गोल्डन आवर, ये कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं जो मोटर व्हीकल एक्ट से कई बार पूछी जाती हैं एग्जाम्स में। तो पब्लिक सर्विस व्हीकल, प्राइवेट सर्विस व्हीकल, एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन बस, ओमनी बस, अगर उनका वेट एक्सीज 12,000 किलोग्राम्स है, देन दैट इज कमिंग अंडर द कैटेगरी ऑफ हेवी पैसेंजर मोटर व्हीकल. No suit shall be instituted against central government until expiration of dash after notice in writing has been delivered to the Secretary of Central Government. So what is the time period? Time period provided over here is 2 months. CPC covers this question. Section 80 provides for the notice. And ये government को जब आप notice देते हैं, that is covered over here. 2 months prior notice at least has to be given. Which of the following is not correct prerequisite condition for res judicata as under section 11 of CPC? तो res judicata के हिसाब से कौन सी condition यहाँ पे prerequisite नहीं है? That has been asked. Matters directly and substantially in issue in the former suit. Same parties are there. Parties claiming under the same parties. Parties claiming under same parties under different title. None of the above. Parties claiming under same parties under the different title. If they are under different title, then res judicata will not be applicable. As per section 15 of CPC, suit shall be instituted in the court of lowest grade, in the court of highest grade, in the court of lowest grade competent to try it, in the court of highest grade competent to try it, in any court having a territorial jurisdiction. Correct answer is C over here. Section 15, court in which the suits to be instituted. Every suit shall be instituted in the court of lowest grade competent to try it. It's a very simple question. If anybody drives in public in contravention of Section 3 and 4 of the Motor Vehicles Act, he is punishable with imprisonment up to 6 months and fine of 5,000 rupees, 3 months or fine 5,000 or both, 6 months or fine 5,000 or both, 6 months and fine of 5,000, 1 year and fine of 5,000. ये सिर्फ पनिशमेंट रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन है. सेक्शन 81 अगर आप देखोगे ड्राइविंग व्हीकल्स इन कॉन्ट्रावेंशन सेक्शन 3 एंड 4, इसका करेक्ट आंसर है बी, imprisonment up to 3 months or with fine of 5,000 or with both. So this is your correct answer. Who has the authority to determine the number of members in the District Consumer Forum? District Consumer Forum, Consumer Protection Act से ऐसे compensation related questions कई बार पूछे जाते हैं. Authority related, appointment related या punishments, jurisdiction तो सबसे ज़्यादा पूछा जाता है. So the correct answer over here is central government is having that authority. Qualifications, etc. present in members of District Commission, Section 29 covers that. No person shall be deprived of his life and personal liberty except according to procedure established by law. Which article? बहुत ही simple question है. Without studying, you can answer this. Article 21 covers this. Direct article based question. When a fact is said to be not proved as per Indian Evidence Act. So what is the meaning of not proved? When no evidence is led, when no adverse evidence is led on that fact, when no evidence is led in support of the fact, when it is not proved, when it is neither proved nor disproved. When there is no evidence that has been put forward on the fact, that means it is coming under the category of not proved. When it is neither proved nor disproved. So the correct answer over here is E. When a fact is said not to be proved, when it is neither proved nor disproved, इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा E. क्योंकि एविडेंस अगर लीड किया जाता है तो भी ऐसा सिचुएशन अराइज हो सकती है दैट इट इज प्रूव्ड नॉट डिस्प्रूव्ड. ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है. ये आंसर क्यों करेक्ट नहीं हो सकता? क्योंकि ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि एविडेंस दिया जाए या ना दिया जाए. अगर ना दिया जाए तो ये कैटेगरी में आएगा कि वो प्रूव भी नहीं होगा, डिस्प्रूव भी नहीं होगा. लेकिन अगर एविडेंस दे के भी वो रेलिवेंट नहीं है या ऐसी कोई सिचुएशन आती है, देन द अप्रोप्रिएट आंसर विल बी दिस, which is covered directly under section 3, not proved. Wow. Principle covered under section 115 of Indian Evidence Act is admission, admission by way of estoppel, estoppel by way of admission, estoppel only and not admission, both estoppel and admission. Answer is D, estoppel only and not admission. Only estoppel. 115 estoppel अगर आप देखेंगे you will understand. इसमें एडमिशन से रिलेटेड नहीं है. एस्टॉपल ओनली एंड नॉट एडमिशन है. यू कैन कवर अप दिस, यू कैन चेक इट आउट, डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ एस्टॉपल इन डिटेल. थेफ्ट डज नॉट इंक्लूड dishonest intention, movable property, immovable property, removing out of possession of any person, removing out property without consent. So, what does theft not include? It does not include immovable property. Section 378 of IPC covers theft. Choice of arbitrator rests with whom in case parties fail to decide. If the parties are deciding, that is the first thing. But अगर parties fail हो जाती हैं, then the choice rests with C and D is the correct answer. Supreme Court or High Court. Any person or institution designated by the High Court or Supreme Court. Covered under Section 11, Clause 5, Appointment of Arbitrators. Who is the Executive Chairman of NALSA? What is NALSA? Do you know? National Legal Services Authority. ये भी आपके सिलेबस में है, UIC एग्जाम के रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन है. Now this is a very current affair based, I would say, over here. D. Honorable Mr. Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul, serving a retired judge of the High Court. He was nominated as the Executive Chairman. Permanent Lok Adalat is headed by Chairman, Patron-in-Chief, Executive Chairman, Magistrate, Civil Judge, Junior Division. Permanent Lok Adalat का concept काफी questionable area है. So it is headed by whom? It is headed by the Chairman. Legal Services Authorities Act 1987 talks about it. Section 22B, Establishment of Permanent Lok Adalats. Which of the following section of Legal Services Authorities Act provides for cognizance of cases by Permanent Lok Adalat? ये भी section based question है. Permanent Lok Adalat के topic से ही है. Section 22C talks about this, cognizance of cases by the Permanent Lok Adalat. What is the limitation period for cognizance of a complaint under Consumer Protection Act 2019? इससे related limitation period पूछा गया है. Correct answer is 2 years. Consumer Protection Act 2019 Section 69 talks about the limitation period. District Commission, State Commission, National Commission shall not admit a complaint unless it is filed within 2 years from the date on which the cause of action has arisen. President of India is elected by Electoral College, Prime Minister, Speaker, Central Government, Electoral College of State Legislative Assemblies and Parliament. Correct answer यहाँ पे A है, that is Electoral College. ये Electoral College काफ़ी important चीज़ है. President से related elections में काफ़ी बार students confuse हो जाते हैं and ये important है. President से related कुछ भी हो that can be asked in the examination. It's an important topic from Constitution of India. Article 54 talks about this and it also Electoral College composition. ये भी आप वहाँ पे देख सकते हैं. Electoral College का जो composition है वो क्या है, इस पर जा सकते हैं. What consists of elected? It consists of what? Elected members of both houses of parliament, elected members of legislative assemblies. Okay. What is paid up equity balance required for a life insurance? Life insurance, अब insurance related specific questions तो आपको but obvious पढ़ने ही पड़ेंगे for these exams. 1 crore, 100 crore, 50 crore, 200 crores, 99 lakhs. Correct answer is 100 crores. Insurance Act 1938 talks about it. Requirement as to capital, Section 6. Paid up equity capital of rupees 100 crore in case of a person carrying on the business of life insurance or general insurance. What is the minimum age of transport vehicle driver license? Minimum age is 20 years. Correct answer. As you can find that Section 4, age limit in connection with driving of motor vehicles. Subject to provisions of Section 18, no person under the age of 20 years shall drive a transport vehicle in any public place. Be specific here, they are asking you about the transport vehicle. नहीं तो आप 18 कर दोगे. You may get confused. Driving license मतलब 18 है. नहीं, transport vehicle के लिए minimum 20 years. Notice to appear issued to respondents is known as notice, sheriff, paper publication, summon to defendant, summons for production. Correct answer is D, summons to defendants, CPC section 27.
Right.
Compensation under MV Act adjudged by which authority? Motor Accident Claims Tribunal, District Court, Civil Judge, Judicial Magistrate First Class where the case is registered, Civil Judge of equivalent jurisdiction to Judicial Magistrate First Class where the case is registered. Correct answer is MACT. Now some students who may have practical knowledge that the matters of this nature are going on in district judges they are actually going on before district judges, no doubt sometimes, where the in the cities where every city is not a separate tribunal, district judges have been given the charge of acting as an MACT. But उनको address MACT ही किया जाएगा, and they are MACT, they are working in the capacity of MACT at that time and not in the capacity of district judges. This is application for compensation, important section है बहुत ये MB Act में से section 166. Section 120A and B of IPC talks about the offense of criminal misappropriation, conspiracy, theft, criminal breach of trust, abetment. Very easy question. B, criminal conspiracy. Punishment is also provided in 120B, 120A में definition है. Last question for today's discussion. Wrongful loss is loss by unlawful means of property to which the person losing it is legally entitled. Loss of property to which the person losing it is legally entitled. Loss by unlawful means of property, trespass and destruction giving rise to loss of property, destruction and loss of property due to mischief. So wrongful loss is correct answer is A, loss by unlawful means of property to which the person losing it is legally entitled. Section 23 of IPC talks about the definition of wrongful loss. Wrongful gain की भी definition आप इसी तरीके से पढ़ के रखिएगा. It will also be important. So for today's video, this much is enough, whatever we have discussed. Remaining 25 questions I will discuss with you in my next video, and we will be completing this paper of UIICAO Legal Exam 2023. For such kind of videos and updates, don't forget to subscribe, reach out to us in case of any queries, and prepare 50% faster with us at iExample.